to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. So this video is an appreciation. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, for making me hit 5k subscribers. We are 5k strong. Thank you so much. I could not have done this without you. Love you guys. I came back home to pack this order. I didn't know. Okay, so in the last video I didn't show you guys, but then I got this order from packing using the cargo shipment. I will be using the cargo shipment to ship this Bakhoor to the UK. My customer requested for the cargo because it's so affordable. Like for up to like 21 kg, you're paying just like 86 to 90 pounds, which is like a fair deal, like a good steal. So you guys should grab this offer. Whichever country you are, I can ship and deliver to you. Just send me a DM, click on the number. I need to take you, just okay, save the number you see on your screen. It will take you to WhatsApp. Then you can purchase these goodies and then sell to the people in your country, guys. Like a good cheap still. And in dollars for that 21 kg, I think in dollars it will be like that's to some 200 and that's like, let's say $100 for 21 kg, which is I think a very good option. So you guys should just send me a DM. I'm not using the I don't want to just call the name of the shipping company, but guys, that shipping company, the price they're giving, like I saw. So if you're a business owner and I know you would want to like get the best offer, or like choose the best option to save cost and gain more. I hope you guys are following me. Also, I saw a lady saying she's paying okay, she said she paid I think up to like, okay, the delivery fee for an item, for her items weighing up to like 30 kg, she's paying like 1.3 million naira. And the lady was so happy. Look at me laughing at her on my chair, like, you are happy you're paying 1.3 million naira. Like, I would not want that for my customer, even though my customer can afford that. But still, I'm still giving my customer an option, like a very good option, where they will pay less, like half of that price for that same quantity. Like, I shipped 21 kg. I've shipped more than even 21 kg using like a very nice company, and the price, like guys, the price is half of what this popular company is giving. Like, this popular company, I was using them for a very long time, and the price increased, so I just changed, and I'm still looking for like way more cheaper and the best option for my customers, because these customers resell these products. I want a situation whereby if they are reselling, they should get like affordable deals, guys. You guys get what I'm saying? But then this lady was so happy that they gave her discount, and she paid like 900 to 800k. And I was like, what? I will pay 500k for that item, and my customer will still get that items in 3 to 5 days. So guys, just send me a DM. Okay guys, if you remember, some time ago I created this amazing Turarenwuta, which is the black wood, and ever since, people loved it, especially people that got one type. They always come back for more, like the people that get one jar. So my customer, I sent testers to my customer, and they requested for a liter, and a liter cost 55,000 naira. So I have like 2 liters here, which cost like 100,000, 110,000 naira. So guys, if you have been eyeing this our black wood, come and grab it. I will be storing 1 liter. I made two because I'm in school, and I'm hoping somebody would like to order for the black wood, and eventually order, I will not be like available to make it. So but then I will have like an amazing one curing for them. You guys know that. So if you would like to get half a liter or 1 liter of this amazing Turarenwuta, just send me a DM, guys. Look at the goodies in here. I cannot, like, this Turare is dope. So I'll be adding it to this 1 liter bucket. Yeah, I have oil already in here. So I'll be using one hand to add the Turare. What I do is I press it after adding it. Yeah, like this. So this is another Turarenwuta that I give my customer to try. This is the nut banat. The nut banat, the yellow the nut banat, but like the amount of oils I added in this Turarenwuta is what made it change its color and the amount of ingredients. So sometimes when I make it, I don't wait for the it will even still get darker, but like this is a yellow Turarenwuta and now this is what it looks like today. So this is 2 liters of the nabanat, and it's all going to UK. This is my premium Dorot Bakhoor Dorot for Dukhan, and you guys can see like it has amazing ingredients in. I made this with amazing ingredients like um idon zakara, gari idon zakara, bagarwa, cloves, and ganyen magarya, and our oils like our Muscat Tahara and other amazing Maiduguri oils and Surati oils that will make this smell so amazing when you use it for Dukhan. That's body steaming. So here I am just mixing everything so that everything will be properly combined. You guys can see the amount of Idon Zakara that I added. Please, anybody that um knows the importance of Eden Zakara should just drop it for us in the comment section. I don't want to say it here, but then I know someone will go through the comment section and read it and gain one or two things about the importance of Eden Zakara, Eden Zakara, Magaria, and other herbs that I added here. So if you know, just drop your answer in the comment section. So this is the finished product, guys. This is how everything looked. And this turare, it will just soak up all your music at Tahara. So just keep on adding. Then this is my Hawii Eric Morocco, and I just removed the Hawii from storage, and I am here adding the. I just wanted to add the like last batch of oils that I add to make it have that nice amazing scent. If you're a Toronto vendor, you know that Mizian is out of stock, guys. How do you cope with going back to the market and then your supplier tells you that products are used in making one amazing product, like an ingredient you use in making one amazing product is not available anymore? How do you feel? I feel that way. I have been trying to look for one perfume for the past 6 months and I have not gotten any, and that made me not make more white humra. You guys will notice that the last time I made white humra was in February, and up till now I have not made any white humra except for the ones for wholesale. But for retail, I don't make it because I am liking some ingredients. So as these oils, I it was so difficult for me to get this Mizian oil. The Mizian oil was I think it was out of they don't have it in the market. I went everywhere in Monday market. Only I got it somewhere where a guy told me that he hit some, and then he had to add some. He added 1,000 naira, and then I bought it because I cannot make my Howie without Mizian, and the Mizian Surat is freaking expensive, so I cannot use the Mizian Surati because I'm selling it, and I'm my triorder is kind of like on the affordable side, like affordable Turare. So these are just oil perfumes that I packed for my customer, and I'm sending everything you see here to the US. So these are the different oil perfumes. I was just trying to cross check before I send it to the shipping company. Guys, I packed everything in this black bag because oh my god, I was so tired, school and everything. But guys, look at the oils. I got different types of oils for her. The traditional oils, Surati, Al Kausar, Al Mataf, Al Mas, our enhancer traditional oils, Al Anud oils, name it. I got different oils for her that she can use to make Turarenwuta, Humra, Kulekcha, everything that she learnt in my class. She will make them with these oils. I got her UD colognes, Repto, medicals. I got her different products. So here I was just trying to just take a video for you all to see that I deliver the best, man. The remaining are just like following suit. So after that, after sending this, I went to get my cake. You guys know that we hit 5K, and I could have not done this without you all. Like, you guys made it possible. My beautiful cake came from Cakes by Nadi. No, sorry, it did not come. I went to get it. I went to get this cake, and Nadi made it. Nadi is in Maiduguri, and she makes the best cake. Like, guys, the cake is so moist, so fluffy, so delicious. Everything is flavorful. Like, I cannot emphasize on how delicious this cake is. So my birthday was close, and immediately I had to place another order for my birthday. I wanted to give someone to make the cake for my birthday because there was a delay before I got this my YouTube cake. But then I just said, oh, since her cake is delicious, I think it's worth it. Like, it's worth the delay, it's worth everything. And guys, you know that this cake is so cheap. If I tell you the price of this cake, you guys will shout. Like, Nadi made this cake 6,000 naira for me, and I think that is very, 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 very affordable and cheap because for the quality. So when I told her that I know is what more than she gave me what more than the what I pay for that, and she said it was just like she was just appreciating me, so I was so happy. And here I went to her get my makeup because I wanted to like do something for this year's birthday. Like, my last year birthday, I didn't take pictures and all that, but then I went to the makeup artist. I got my makeup, and then I went to the photography studio, and I took some photos which you guys saw at the beginning of the video. And then in the morning I made this delicious yam balls, and guys, this tastes so good. I God, I love yam balls. I love yam. I love anything yam. I think I'm half Yoruba. And then after eating my yam balls, I went to veterinary department of Unimid, that's University of Maiduguri, Nigeria, to get my bacteria. This is bacteria S aureus, and I wanted to introduce this to my fish, yeah, for my final year project. And this is the syringe. So these are my fish. I infected this fish with bacteria, guys, and these are my fish. Like, this is I think in the evening. This was around 7 p.m. that same day, and they were all bubbly and happy until the next day. But if you guys notice, their fin and their tail were like white. So after that, the next day I went to market to get some Turarenwuta ingredients and oils, and I saw this guy breaking some sandal bangi. This was what I was talking about in my last video, where I said I had to wash the house because the guy did not place any mats when breaking the woods. And then this is the oil that we do use in making turare. I saw this in the shop, and I asked the supplier to just give me so that I can show you guys. Guys, we don't use these oils in our turare because these oils cannot stay in a place where you add surati and other oils. So after that, I came back the next day, and I recorded mortality in my fish. Yeah, you can see one floating
floating and it's upside down, and that was my birthday. So guys, yeah, yesterday I celebrated my birthday, which was 28th of October, and this is the cake from Nadi. I just asked her to make something simple again for me, something just simple. I did not even tell her what color. I did not have any choice. I did not have any option in mind because I just wanted something simple. I was so tired at this point, like so tired. Everything is so stressful. Like the week is so stressful for me with project and Turarenwuta orders and everything. But this cake made my day. Like when I just saw the chocolate, I was so happy. I am a very big fan of chocolate cake, and this cake, the deliciousness of this cake exceeded my
After that, I
expectation. Like
just
it
just
tasted
rested and
way more better than the last one.
read my book because I was having tests the next day, and then after that I edited this video for my classes. That's my Turarenwuta classes, and this video I share it to my students that I am taking on Turarenwuta one-on-one, sorry, one-on-one private class. And here I just made the voiceover for the video where I was explaining the oils and the quantity and everything they would need it to make this amazing oils. So guys, thank you guys for your birthday wishes. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all your love and support. See you guys in my next one. Bye.